Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is super important, especially for those of you living here in Korea on a visa. So, here's the situation. Someone messaged me recently because their visa is about to expire, June 2025 to be exact, and they need to book an appointment at immigration to get it extended. But here's the problem. They forgot their password to their Hi Korea account. Now, if you've used the Hi Korea website before, you probably know that if you enter your password wrong 3 times, your account gets locked automatically. Yep, for safety purposes. So, what do you do if that happens? You'll need to call 1345, the immigration hotline, and ask them to help reactivate your account. Don't worry, they deal with this all the time. But what if you don't have time to wait or you need to make a reservation right now? Well, the good news is you can actually make a reservation even without logging in. So in today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to reserve an immigration visit using the Hi Korea website, even if you're not logged in. Let's go! Okay, step 1. Search for Hi Korea on Google. Once you open the site, it might show up in Korean by default. If that happens, just go to the top right corner and change the language to English. That will make things much easier. Okay, step 2. Click on Reserve Visit. You'll see a green icon in the middle of the page. That's the one you need to click. Okay, step 3. Scroll to the bottom right part of the page and click on Visit Reservation Application, Non-Member. Now, you're on the Identity Authentication page. Make sure to select Foreigner. Then, you'll need to enter your ARC number. That's your Alien Registration Card number. The date of issuance, this is the date your ARC was issued. You can find it on the bottom right corner of the front of your ARC. Lastly, enter the number shown in the image in the Confirm Input box. Once all that's filled in, go ahead and click Confirm. Now we're on the Visit Reservation page. The first thing you need to do is choose your immigration office. This depends on where you live. Choose the office that's closest or most convenient for you. Then, scroll up a bit and you'll see a section asking for details about your visit. Since we're here to extend a visa, make sure to check the option that says Visa Extension. Then, enter your contact number. This is where your reservation confirmation will be sent. So now, because we're booking as a non-member, not logged in, you'll need to create a password. This is very important because you'll use this password to check your reservation later. Next, choose your date and time for the visit. Dates that are gray are already fully booked. When you select a date, it will turn blue. After choosing your date, scroll up to select a time slot. Again, gray means fully booked, so choose one that's still available. Once you've selected both a date and time, click 신청. That's the Korean word for apply. A little pop-up will show up saying, "Do you want to submit an application?" Click OK. And that's it. You should now see a confirmation message on your screen. And you'll also get a text message on your phone confirming your appointment. Super easy, right? Even without logging in, you can still take care of your visa extension visit. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, please like this video, leave a comment if you have questions, and share it with your fellow kababayans or friends in Korea who might need this info. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this. Thanks so much for watching.